Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha, and today I want to show you how to make this scrunchie. So I got an order from a client requesting for that the ruby drape top with a scrunchie, and this tutorial is all about the scrunchie. So what you're going to need is your yarn. I chose my 4-ply yarn in whichever color you like. So once you do, it's from actually Winter King. That's a Kenyan brand. So you are going to first make a slip knot like that, and use your crochet hook to make or to chain 55 or make 55 chains. So make 55 chains all along right there, because this is going to be now our foundation or our string for the scrunchie. So do that, and I'll meet you once you're done. So I've made my my chain with, that is the 55 chains. This is what was going to act as our foundation or the string for the scrunchie. So you're just going to just secure that last string of your yarn. And yeah, so this is what you're going to work with. Now what you're going to do is first of all, you are going to attach your yarn or to secure your yarn right there. Just insert your hook right there down below the our foundation chain, and make one single crochet like that. And now you're going to add two, that is going to start our foundation chain. So go and add two more chains there, right there, and you're going to insert your hook and make a half double crochet like that. Insert your hook, pull through the first two loops, pull through the second two loops, and that is going to be our first half double crochet. Do so touch your yarn, pick two, insert your yarn into the first two loops, insert your yarn into the second two loops, and continue with the cycle of half double crochets all around. So continue with this half double crochet pattern as you try and squeeze the double crochets together so that it can form something like this. So continue with these half double crochets all along as you squeeze them so that they can be together. So just be adding more as you squeeze them together. That is up to the right amount of space of yarn that you want to remain as your tie knot. So do the half double crochets all around, half double crochets all around as you squeeze your yarn together, and going to meet you once you're done with your first row of half double crochets. So guys, we are done with our first row of the half double crochets. Remember, we were squeezing them together like that on the foundation chain, and that is how our the ruffles are coming up. So we're going to on this end, you're going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, sorry, 2 chains. Apologies for that, I had already made one more. So turn your work, and in that first chain you're going to insert your hook like that, pull through on the first 2 loops, and then pull through on the second 2 loops. So you're going to do this half double crochet pattern inside the 2 of them inside that first chain, and it's going to act as our 3 half double crochet in one chain. So continue with the 3 half double crochets in each and every particular chain that we have. Do not skip any chain that we have made in this the first row. So continue with the 3 half double crochets all around, or all around, and ensure that every chain is covered. So continue with this, and I'll meet you once we are done with our second row of 3 half double crochets in each particular chain. So guys, this is how our second row of 3 half double crochets in each particular chain looks like. Remember, I'm just using a sample for this tutorial, so that's why it's looking smaller at this point. So this is how the particular half double crochets look like in each and every chain, and you can see the ruffles are now starting to come up big. So if you want more ruffles, you can make 2 chains, turn your work, and you're going to be adding 2 half double crochets in that one chain, the first chain, and you're going to continue with 3 half double crochets in each and every next chain that you will be having. So it's just a very simple pattern of half double crochets, but remember, you have to be inserting three in each chain. So once you are done, that is if you wanted to add more ruffles. Once you're done with that, you can close off with the single crochets all around. But because this is just a sample, I didn't want to make much ruffles. I wanted to just show you how to develop all those ruffles at once in a simpler manner, and using while making a scrunchie, using without using a headband or a band or something, or a rubber band in that case. So just continue with half double crochets if you want more ruffles, and if you don't want more ruffles, close off with the single crochets as I'm doing here on our sample tutorial. So continue like that, and I'll meet you once you're done, or however, just be checking on each and every ruffle that you're making, because whether you reduce or you add any more ruffle, it will determine how whether you add more chains or reduce more chains on your ruffles, it will determine how huge your ruffles will be. So you might get big ruffles which are closer together, or you can get smaller ruffles which are scattered apart. So how you add your ruffles, be careful with that. So it's a big concern. So well, I think that will be the end of my tutorial, but don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also like the video, and also leave a thumbs up or a comment. Bye.